We're looking in focus at the fader and select solo mute section here. It's quite straightforward. Fader, mute, solo and select button. Worth noting here is that the fader tops are all metal and touch sensitive. What that means is if you are writing automation in any of the modes, all you have to do is, if you're playing the actual music and touch it and move it, then the movements are recorded so that when you play back you've got that movement in there. What this also is useful for is, as we'll look at, is group modes, where you can pull a track temporarily out of group mode, and we'll show you that in a second. If you want to make a group with several channels, you can do it from the screen or you can do it on the control surface. You can easily select multiple channels by using the select buttons. So for example, if I want to select all these faders, I can select them using the select buttons. They're all now selected. I can either use the Command G on the keyboard. There is also a create button, which you can't quite see at the moment, at the right hand side of the control surface, and I've now created a group, which means that these faders will all, as you can see, move together, which is great. On screen, you can move with mouse on any fader and all move together. If you want to change the relationship, the great thing about the control surface, because it's got these metal touch sensitive fader caps, you can use two hands and you can say, okay, well, within this group I want to turn this channel down. So as long as you've got two fingers on, it will allow you to make a change relatively without altering the group as a whole, and then that now keeps this new relationship. So by using both hands you can easily change the relationship. If this is a drum kit, for example, bring it up and down the various levels of the various channels, and then once you let go and just use one finger, that will keep that overall relative balance within the group intact.